your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Show me.
'Cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
Okay, so I started cleaning my room around like 12 o'clock and we're about an hour and a half in. But you see, the thing is, I have gotten my clothes done. Like, I've cleaned out all the clothes I don't use anymore or worn out. I've done that. That's done. I've reorganized my 9 cube. That's done. But doing that leaves me with so much extra stuff just laying around that I don't need anymore. When I say that, I mean I have all of the junk behind me just laying around. Like, I don't need that. So now I have to figure out what I'm going to do with all of that stuff. My battery's flashing, so I'm gonna plug in my camera battery, let that charge, and hopefully by the time it is charged, all of that junk will have a home and my bed will be made. Okay guys, so it's been a little over an hour and we'll just say I took a break and I lost track of time. If I hadn't taken a break, I would be done by now. So yeah, that didn't happen. I'm not finished, but I did get my camera battery charged and I did finish this half of my room. Like my bed, everything that was on it. The only thing I have left to clean is my vanity. I'm just gonna show you guys it now and we're just gonna get started.